Hi everyone, this is Isa from PrintStick, and today I want to make a video to show you these new planners that we released in the shop. They come in two versions, dated and undated, and each has 4 color options. This is the teal on teal color. We also offer a yellow on purple desk. There's a black on gray desk, and there's a peach pink color on purple. So when you click on it, it opens to the first page, and again here you have the links to our shop, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube channel, which is this channel, a link to our shop, to buy digi-stickers if you want as well, and we have a digital planner group that I recommend you join because we release freebies over there, free stickers, free inserts. So if you're interested in that, I recommend you click here and you ask to join. Anyone can join. So I will explain a little bit about the tabs, even though I'm not gonna click on them right now. So on the left side we have the tabs to navigate the months. This is a dated planner. It starts in July with the tabs. However, there is a June version that I'm gonna show you in a little bit included, so you can start planning like very soon. It's almost June. So yeah, so these are the tabs that will take you to each month. Here on the right side we have the first tab takes you to the yearly view that we're gonna again see in a little bit, and all these tabs, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 other tabs, they're blank. So it's really convenient because you have them anywhere in the planner and you can do whatever you want with those sections. There's an index. I'm gonna show you that in a little bit. And this little clip up here will take you to your daily page. There's only one of those, so you can either copy it and use it every day, or use it on every day that you're very busy and you need to see hour by hour your day. Or you can, the way I use it is I use it, I fill it out, and then I wipe it clean and I use it again. I have also copied it, so it's up to you how you want to use that. But it's nice because anywhere you're in the planner, you go, you know that when you click on the clip, you will go to your daily page, so the today page. Alright, so we move on. This is I made another page with this dashboard in case you want to delete this. If you're not interested in like having, you know, all these links here, you can just delete this page and then you have this dashboard still. So this is the index that I was talking about, and this is really convenient. You can write here any section. For example, I always use finance. Excuse my handwriting, I am far from the iPad and that's the best I can do right now. So you will write down every section what it is, so that you don't have to worry about writing it on each tab. As you know, as you probably know, if you do that, you have to copy and paste on every page of the planner. So the way the index works is you only have to label the tabs in this page, and to come back from any page in the planner, you will just have to click on the spiral. So let's say I'm here and I want to go back to index to like know which tab is which, and I will just click on the spiral in the middle, and then I'm gonna come back to this page. Alright, so we move on. We have the yearly you know, calendar or future log, you can call it, because there's all the months again from July 2018 through December 2019, and there's room for you to write your goals or your main things that you want to get done in that month, or anything else you want. I hope you can see, and if not, I can make it a little bigger. You have all these lines to write down those things. Another cool thing you have is this little flower. Usually I link it to the sticker pages because I love stickers, but I thought that it was also a good idea to give you the option to use that section for anything you want. Again, this flower, you're gonna find it anywhere in the planner. So if we click on it, it takes us to a wide blank section. So this could be anything you want. You will be able to access it from anywhere on the planner. And then if you do want to find the sticker page, you just have to swipe right once. So that's an option you have. It's kind of a quicker way to find the stickers. However, you can still customize this section. And if you end up putting more white pages behind this page and then the stickers are no longer on the right, I mean, that's still fine. You can use bookmarks to navigate and find the stickers, or that is up to you. But just so you know, if you click on the flower anywhere in the planner and swipe right once, you're gonna find your stickers. Okay, we move on. So then we start with our months. As I said, this planner includes like a bonus month of June, so you can start planning soon, but it is not linked on the tab. So if you don't see it here, don't worry, it's still in the planner, and the way you would find it is you would click on July and go and scroll left to find June, or again, you can just use your bookmarks to find it. You will know that this is the beginning of the planner and the first month will be June. So you just click there and you're gonna find June. It's very simple. This is Monday through Sunday, and you have space to write, or you know, for photos or stickers, anything you want here. This is completely white. Then you have some lines if you want, you know, guidance to write your words. You can write down here like a little title, like goals or a quote, anything you want. Again, you have your flower that I mentioned earlier. You have your clip, and you also have these links that will take you to each week of this month. So each week of June, we can access with these little letters right here. So if I click on week 2, it will take us to the second week of June. Okay, and so this is the weekly layout for every week of every month. You have the month here, so you know which month it is. You have a little like space for a quote or a nice decorative sticker, another like header down here, and more space to do as you want. Usually I put photos here, or draw even. I like the empty space to do stuff. You could also use habit trackers. You could place those down here or on the bar, like whatever you want. I really leave it open for you to design as you like it. These boxes are the ratio of the Erin Condren boxes. So if you already have a lot of stickers laying around, or like printables that fit those boxes, you will be able to use them here. 1.5 inches by 1.9. I mean, that's the ratio. This is a lot smaller, but when you resize a sticker, it will fit. Alright, moving on. So yeah, so we have week 3, week 4, week 5 of June, and then we move on to July. So this is a dated planner, and even though you have the calendar through December 2019, you will only have the tab until June 2019. So from July 2019 to June 2019, you get 12 months. Oh yeah, and I also forgot to mention, if you click on the months here, you can see they light up. They're linked to their correct months. So we don't have September and we don't have August 2019. They don't go anywhere, but all of these up here, the 12 months that the planner has, do take you there. So if I click on June 2019, which is the last month, we come to June of next year. Again, this is a dated planner, so you have all the dates of each day for the monthly spread and for the weekly spreads. Alright, so if we went to week 4, that is the last page of the, dates of the planner. After that, we start with the blank sections, which is these tabs here on the right. So I feel like this one is this first section. You can't see anything happening. I'm gonna write down 1, and then if you go to the second one, I'm gonna write down 2 just to show you quickly. 3. That's it. So if you go to the first, this is number 1, number 2, number 3. So that's how you know that they're all different. I'm gonna delete this. So yeah, you have all these, what did I say, 7 tabs, 2, 4, 6, yeah, 7 blank tabs for you to do what you want, and they're all placed here. So for now, you can just scroll and you'll find the next section. In the future, you can add more pages so that you will have several pages per section if you want. When you get to the last section, we're gonna keep going. I believe this is the section that links, let's check, to the flower. So we were here, we click on the flower, yeah. So after all these sections, the next page is going to be the one that's linked to the flower, just so you know. We keep going, we have the stickers. You know, I love stickers, I love colors. So these colors, they're 5 different colors and they kind of match the tabs of the planner, and they look really nicely with the colors of the planner itself. So they're ready to use. All you need to do is click on the lasso tool and select. You can make a little circle anywhere on the sticker. You don't have to go around it necessarily. In fact, it's better to just do a circle on the sticker. That's the way you make sure 100% that you're not selecting 2 stickers, because these are transparent, but you can't really tell where they end. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but it's just better to do the circle right on top of the sticker that you want. Once you do that, you tap once and you select copy, and then your sticker is copied and you're ready to use it anywhere you want. So you would go using the tabs or the bookmarks, you go to the page where you want it, and then you tap again and click paste. You can tap once more and you can resize and reposition. Once you tap out of the sticker, it'll place it, but you can still again move it and or delete it if you want, which is what we're gonna do now. So that's how you use the stickers. It's really convenient to have them ready to use already, because it's like a pain to import these like one by one, which is what I did for this planner. So I'm gonna go over the stickers so you can get a better idea of what's included. You have these headers. Everything comes in 5 colors, so whatever you see, know that it's, you know, copied 5 times in a different color. You have to do, today, important to buy. Those are the headers in 5 different colors. You have, of course, your weekend banners. These you can use to cover 2 boxes or 3 boxes, up to you. You can resize them. Sorry. You have the habit trackers. So you would write down here the habit you want to track. And each box here represents a day of the week. What is a good habit? Like workout, which is what I'm struggling with right now. And then this would be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then you would just say like Monday I did it, Tuesday I didn't. So you can leave it blank, or you can do like an X. Wednesday I did it, Thursday I did it, and so on. And then with your eraser, it's really cool because you can erase what you wrote, but the sticker stays there. That's a nice feature of GoodNotes. We also have these dots. We have these page flags. I use them to like write down, for example, like bill, due, or pay day. You know? They're like nice little reminders that I usually make smaller and put on top of each page next to like the day of the week. We also have these check boxes in 3 different styles, and they come with 2 or 3 or 4, you know, boxes depending on how many errands you have that day. We have bigger flags and these little like headers. We have some more labels right here, arrows pointing right, pointing left. These oh my god, how do you call them? Asterisks, right? Excuse me, I forget my words. Hearts, social media. You have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, or email, or letter, mail, regular mail. That could mean, I guess, too. So we move on. You could have copied this page and deleted all the stickers and you would come up with this, but I just did it for you. So you have another blank page for you to insert more stickers that you already have or that you purchase elsewhere. You can place them here and then they're ready to use in your planner. Okay, so this is the daily page. This is the page that if we click on this clip from any page of the planner, we get to this. The way it works is you would write down here the date, so you can say Monday 23rd, and assuming that you know which month it is, and if not, you can just write July, Monday 23rd. And then you have the option to plan hour by hour everything that you need to do. You have these top priorities, which is really important. I write down here like my main things that I have to get done that day. I try to organize my day here, but this is like most important. I know that I need to focus on finishing whatever is here. And then this is an option for your meal planner. You have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks if you want. You have your hydration, and then you have a little workout box. I'm gonna make another video to show you how to quickly like finish a page, copy it, and then you can erase the original page to keep using it. But that's gonna be in a different video. Then here you have a box for tomorrow. So usually in what I didn't finish from here, I just move it on to here. Or things I need to do tomorrow, it's a good reminder to have this little box here. This is like a to-do list, and you can leave this even if you delete what's here. If you erase your day, you can still keep this list. You know, why not? So you can just put all of your chores or like tasks that you have pending and just delete them or erase them or cross them out when they're done. And here you have a little space with dots. We move on and we get to our dotted page. This page is not linked to anything, however you can copy it and paste it behind any other page or to populate any section that you want. We have dotted, we have regular rules, so this could be like notepad paper. There is also grid paper, blank paper, which is the same paper as your sections, but this is like an extra page that you can just move around. And then we have the same version of the papers without the tabs. Just, you know, if you're gonna have pages and pages of class notes or something and you don't want the tabs to distract you, some people prefer that, so I offer it here. And the same ruled and graph and white pages again. And that's the last of the planner. It has so many features, and I try to make it so that you can customize it as much as possible because I know that's important to a lot of you. I'm just gonna quickly show you what the inside of the other planners look like. Okay, so this is the undated version, so it comes from January through December because there's no dates. So if you buy it now, you can start using it for May or June, because you're gonna be dating every day, you know, of the month, every day of the week. Yeah, so that's why it starts differently. The other one, the first tab is June, and this one is January, just so you know. And you just don't have a date for the undated version. Everything else in the planner is the same. And then we're gonna see the other colors, just so you get an idea of what it looks like with other cover colors on other desk options. So this is what the monthly layout looks for, yellow and purple, and as you can see the clip here changes colors a little bit. It's just a small detail. Peach color. This is what peach and purple looks like. As you can see, again, the clip changed colors slightly. That's the monthly, and this is the weekly. For black, this is what the black on gray looks like. Again, the clip changed colors. It's also gray. So it's like black and white, except you still have the color on the tabs, because, you know, I love color. This is actually called the color planner. So yeah, and this is what the weekly undated spread looks on black on gray. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this answers some of your questions about this planner, and let me know in the comments below if you have any other questions, or if I forgot to go through something, or if you want me to show you, to teach you how to use a particular feature of GoodNotes, like copying pages or using stickers or anything else that you want. Thank you. Bye-bye.